Hi, in this video, we are going to see about see in under the web technology. We need to first of all we need our experiment is to create a web page of like this format. So first of all, we need to create a logo. Under that logo, we need to write a name of the company, and afterwards we need to provide a this double line, and inside we need to provide a hyperlink. So the hyperlink should navigate to the see the hyperlink should be navigated on to that particular contents provided in this web page. So that's the thing we need to make, and afterwards they have been provided the table. So the table should be created like this, and afterwards we need to provide a link for the Google. So see here it goes to the Google and to navigate to the Google, and we need to provide a link for the Facebook. So it will be it will be navigating to that Facebook. So afterwards, internal link, it should be an internal link. It should be going inside the link. Afterwards, the Telegram. So that should be Telegram moves to the Telegram. So afterwards, it need to pay the go to the HTML. So it shows the HTML page. So that's the thing that we need to make, and we need to provide a content here. So after that, we need to provide a background color for the particular content, and then under that footer part, we need to provide the address of our name and location. So these are the things we need to create using the HTML. So I have been created. So inside the doc type, it should be HTML. So the HTML5 standard, it will be the doc type. It will be the HTML. So inside the heading, I'm giving the title of the web pages, Web Technology Experiment 1. So it will be shown here. See here, Web Technology Experiment 1. It will be shown here. So afterwards, in the style, I'm using a table. So inside here, I have been used the table. So for the table, for giving that border of the table, I'm mentioned that the table border is 2 pixel, solid black, and the font family is Arial Sans Serif, the font of the table, and that border is collapsed, and with this 50% I'm giving. And afterwards the table data and table height. So inside a table data and table heading, I'm giving that border as 2 pixel. Table it should align in center, and padding is 8 pixel. So this was the thing I am giving for the table. And inside that body, first of all, inside body the logo should be given. So the logo is in center, so I'm given in center. So center, I'm giving that a center style, a font family as Times New Roman, and I'm in the center. I'm inserting an image. Source of the images I'm taken from the internet, and after that, instead of alt, I'm giving that company logo. That is, I'm giving Cornell Institute of Technology logo, and afterwards I'm giving Cornell University. That is in heading tag H1. So it will be displayed after the logo. This was given in center. So afterwards we need to provide a line. So for providing line, there is a tag called HR. So it will be provide a horizontal line. I'm giving this style for the horizontal line, that is height. I'm giving 4 pixel, and border width is 0, and color is black, and background color is black. So this was the thing I'm giving. And afterwards, inside that horizontal line, this was the hyperlink we are going to give. So that was the thing I'm giving in division. So this was the thing given in division. So inside the division, I'm using paragraph tag. So instead of paragraph, I'm writing first providing link, that is using anchor tag. The attribute of anchor is href. So it is used to provide a hyperlink. That is inner navigation link also we need to provide here. So this was the sub name. This is the ID name here given. uh, for example, if you click sub heading 1, it goes to the subheading 1 content provider. So subheading 1 content I have been provided down. So I'm going to that parts. uh, see here, sorry, see here, this was the subheading one. This was given in a section. So section tag. So section is also called likewise a division tag. So this was section. So in that section, I'm giving the ID as sub one, and I'm giving the link is as sub one. So it will be matched here. So if I click this link, that is, it will be shown as subheading one. If I click the link, that it will be matched to that ID where it will be given. So after it will be matched and it will be navigate to this ID where I have been given. So someone has been given in the target, it is in self. So it should be target. That is, it should be open in new or it should be it is opening in new or same thing. That was the thing here. So target, if you given self, it will be displayed in the same. If you given a blank, it will be given in a, it will be open in new tab. So that's the thing, the target will be done. So same, it will we are giving for second link, third link and fourth link. So in the same line we have been given. So it will be in the same line. So afterwards we have been closing that HR, sorry, HR we are calling. So it will be create another one line. So afterwards I'm creating H1, that is a section sub 1, that is subheading 1, and I'm giving in center, that is table caption. So this was in center, I'm giving table caption, and I'm giving that table is also in center. I'm creating a table and border, and then the table I'm giving in first row, we are giving table data, that is title 1, title 2, and title 3. And afterwards we are giving second row table data cell 1, cell 2, and cell 3 was in, we are giving a row span. So row span is means that it will be merged two rows. So if you given the cell 1 is in first row, in the first row, second row, first data is cell 1, second data is cell 2. In the third data I'm giving TD row span 2. So row span is, it will be merged what the value it is given. So if you given 2, it will be merged two rows. So two rows means the next row it will be also merged here. So afterwards I'm giving in the next row table data is cell 4, then next is cell 5. So next table row is till cell 6. So that was given in column span. So column span 3 means, so column means column span is, it will be merge columns. So how much value will be given, that much column will be merged. So here there are three columns, title 1, title 2, and title 3. There are three columns. So I am giving cell, that is cell 6, that it is column span 3. So it will be merged 1, 2, 3. So it will be merged three column. And it is the footer part also we are giving column span as 3, and this is the footer with column span. So this is the thing. So afterwards we are providing the subheading 2, same in section subheading 2, and they are giving external link, that is Google's link has been taken and given here, and afterwards Facebook and Telegram, and afterwards self, that is next Wikipedia and image we are being given here. So afterwards we are giving this next subheading, and the content we have been provided inside a paragraph tag. So paragraph tag inside a content we have been provided. So afterwards here the thing, the you notice here, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, but we cannot give like in paragraph we cannot give that is a plus b, you can't give the whole square. So if you try to give the whole square, it will be not give. So that's the thing in HTML, that is a, if you give a plus b sub sub 2 now, it will be written in power, then you need to close that sub. So that is a plus b the whole square. It will be act as a plus b the whole square. It will be displayed there equal to a sub square, that is a square, then plus b sub 2, that is b square, plus 2ab. So that's the thing. Then here H2 plus O2 equal to H2O. So here in the previous case we have been shown it is written under power, and next we need to return as a, that is down the smaller, that is down we need to write as 2. So here instead of sub we need to use sub, that is H sub 2. So H sub 2, that is H2O, H2 plus O2 equal to H2O. So that's the thing we need to notice here. So afterwards, for background color, we need to provide that content. So for providing that content, we are using the data list. So data list we have been using, that is data list. So in the data list, DT client side scripting, that was the thing, client side scripting, and DD is client side scripting executed by browser. So then it's DT, then DD. So inside the DT, we are providing a list. Inside the DD, we are providing a order list. So list, in order list, I'm taking the style as list style typing disk. So in that list, first list is this is first list is, or list is first item. So afterwards this is order list. So in that order list, type is 1, that is 1 to 3. So on order list it will be written as in shape, circle, square, what other thing, it will be listed in that through the listed in that symbols. In on order list you can be mentioned as 1 2 3 or Roman numbers or ABCD alphabets, you can be listed. So in that inside the unordered list, inside the unordered list, they have been given the order list. So after finishing the order list, we are giving same unordered list, and we are making a type of square. So afterwards, giving that we are making that background color. So the background color they have been given in the division. So in the background color is burley wood. So burley wood, the background color will be changed. And in that footer part, so uh, in that footer part, we are giving that paragraph, that is told on that I'm giving them my allocation, and this copy. So copy that under circle, inside the circle we will be using the C copyright symbol. So the copyright symbol can be used as ampersand copy semicolon. This was the code for the copyright symbol, and afterwards I'm using my data, my register number, and web technology lab 1, all rights reserved. So this was the thing we have been made here. So before that, I'm closing with HR, that is using HR tag. Same here, used as previous. So this was the code for that, and let us, I will run and show you again. So it will be run as this web page. So this was the thing we have been seen in this video, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.